To do a squat pulse with or without a mini band, it's very similar to a bodyweight squat. So first we're going to do it without our mini band. We'll sit that aside, get in that squat position, so your feet a little out of hip width apart and your toes turned outward. Bring that pelvis under to keep those abdominals tight, shoulders back and down, head facing forward, and we're going to hinge your hips backwards. Come down, now you're in a squat, okay? Keep those abs super tight so that pelvis tucked under, chest up, and we're just going to pulse up and down very slowly. As you're staying low, make sure those knees are pushed out just a little bit. Abs very tight. You do not want to feel this in your lower back. Pulse, pulse, and keep your weight in your midfoot. Mid to heel, but mostly your midfoot. You do not want to be up on your toes. You want to keep those knees in line with your ankles. So you're pulsing, you're going to feel this. Okay, now we're going to add our mini band. Now what this does, it adds some extra resistance to your legs. Put it above your knees, just like this. Same position. Tuck that pelvis under, shoulders back and down. Get in that squat, push those knees outward, and you're going to feel more resistance right in here. And pulse. Breathe in and out. You're going to feel the burn.